Sean Williams, lead blender and ambassador for Cohiba Cigars. Cohiba Blue. I like to refer to it as the daily driver. Great cigar to have in the morning with a cup of coffee, or have at night with your favorite whiskey or your favorite tequila, or whatever your spirit of choice is. Just a terrific, terrific representation of Central American tobacco. Wrapper and binder, both the same variety, grown in Lancha San Agustin, Honduras. In the Philly, you have more Honduran tobacco from the Hamastron Valley, along with some Ometepe Island tobacco from Nicaragua, and a little Piloto Cabano. Nice medium body cigar, a little bit of earthiness, a little bit of baking spice, just a nice sort of touch of coffee from that Ometepe tobacco, but a great, great approachable cigar, and just a great cigar to work in your everyday rotation. So have a chance, make sure you grab a Cohiba Blue.